Hey, I am Nuran, here to teach English. Now we're gonna talk about, guess what? Oh, phrasal verb. Excellent, I'm joking. Now we're gonna talk about phrasal verb. Everyone hates them because they're so confusing and difficult. But with me, it's easy. Let's go. Phrasal verb consists of verb plus preposition. Up, by, for, to, down. And I tell you how I thought of this lesson. We have verbs become phrasal verb, such as clean, clean up, cleaned, cleaned up, find, find out, found, found out, peck, pick up, pecked, picked up, bring, bring up, brought, brought up, showed, showed up, showed, showed up. Clean, what does it mean? Wipe, dust. Okay. Find, what does it mean? Look for. When we look for something. Pick, choose, pick, choose. Bring, carry, bring, carry. Show, display, show, display. For example, let's go. She picked up the children from school. She picked up the children from school. She brought her son up to be polite. She brought her son up to be polite. Clean up. Clean up. An object, not dirt. Clean up. An object, not dirt. Find out, discover information. Pick up, retrieve, get, left. Bring up, talk about, mention, vomit, barf, raise. Don't forget, share, like, subscribe. Bye bye.